Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Ram. Today I get to show you this brand new Ram ProMaster 1 ton with a cargo box in the back. Let's take a look. This new Ram ProMaster is upfitted with a 14-foot long, 7-foot tall, and just over 7-foot wide cargo box in the back. This is a Bay Bridge conversion here. All components on this Bay Bridge conversion come with a 3-year warranty, and it's Federal Motor Vehicle Safety compliant, meaning it's fully compliant with all federal regulations. Has a 12-foot aluminum ramp. So it's 12-foot long, 30-foot wide. Has nice rails here to keep your dolly on target. And it's nice and solid walking up in here. Coming up into the cargo box, nicely finished off wood paneling. Has 5 tie downs on each wall that are secured into an aluminum structure. You can kind of see some of the aluminum sidewall construction here. The floor itself is a very durable. It's 2x6 pine flooring, so it's going to be good in case it would happen to get wet. It's also nice and strong. You can see how it's bolted down very, very well. And also it's shiplap, so it's nice and tight in there too. Has the LED light in here, plenty bright. It has this roll-up door. Has the strap here. This door is spring assisted, and you can easily do it with one hand, up and down. And it has this latch right here to keep it all in place. Coming on down, it does have a nice diamond plate bumper that also acts as a step. Tail lights are built in, license plate holder, and also up there it even comes equipped with the backup monitor, as I'll show you as we get in. 2 handles on both sides to help you get in and out of the box. Exterior here is all aluminum siding. Really a nice finish on this. Steel supports underneath in the floor, 16-inch on centers. The whole underbelly is undercoated to prevent corrosion and rust from starting. The sidewalls themselves, the skeleton is again aluminum construction there, means it's lightweight, also 16-inch on center. The bulkhead up here, you notice it's diamond plate. This is on the front wheel drive Ram 3500. No longer do you have to worry about rear wheel drive box vans that get stuck in the snow and maybe in the mud in a weird, hard to get spot. Front wheel drive has the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine in it. Great fuel mileage. A demanding view as you sit inside here. This one does have some equipment on it. I'll show you here. The heat turned down. Has the oversized mirrors that are power controlled, and has the built-in defroster, power windows up here. In the steering wheel we have hands-free connectivity, so you know the driver can drive this truck going down the road legally and safely. Does also have cruise control, which is an option on this. Has the touchscreen radio. Again, this is your backup monitor. Also, it has connectivity, so you can connect it to your cell phone. Once you put it in reverse, it does pop up the camera there. Heating and air conditioning controls down here. Several beverage holders, spot for your phone down there. Nice workstation, adjustable seats up here, and a nice finished out cab. We here at Sherry Chrysler, we are authorized dealers of these upfitted Ram ProMasters, whether you want the box on the back or maybe a utility service box, or maybe you just want the raw van chassis. We can help you out, help out your needs for your particular situation, whether it's personal use or business use. There's great incentives out there for you as a consumer to make this particular vehicle customized to your needs, and we can help you get all those incentives and to get this van working for you in your life. So thanks for watching. I'm going to post some links below. Financing is available. I'll post a link below where you can get started from that right from home. And if you have any questions on this all-new ProMaster, feel free to email in or call in, and we'd be happy to assist you. With that, my name is Michael Sherry. We are Sherry Ram, and we hope to earn your business.